Hey boos, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As y'all know, it's your girl Deki Boo, and I'm back with another video. Well, we're gonna do exam.
Last and final day to get rid of Deki Boo.
Yes, but we're going on the mall, Portmore Mall before.
Yeah, boy, yes. Because if I get rid of you,
what? Yes. I didn't hear that. We're going to Portmore Mall. You're not getting rid of me because you're going to see me next week.
So this me get rid of you for 4 days.
Yes, she's going to buy a piece of clothing. Why every time we match, it's like we feel each other. Cause me in a black pants, she in a black blouse.
So I kind of have the same personality,
yes,
you know?
not every time. Majority of the times when we go out, we match. How is the coffee?
Yeah?
How is the coffee?
You think so? You think normal?
Normal? How you mean normal? This not normal. It's more than A. I mean, make it enough.
Taste normal, me not taste no, me not taste a caramel and
I lie you tell.
You see like a normal coffee?
Yeah. When it's at the bottom, see it here? The caramel. They're at the bottom. So you don't taste the whipped cream.
You know what I taste?
I love it.
When I make my coffee, when you put in a flavor,
you put too much sweets, and because you want a chocolate, you have to taste more.
I don't put no sweets because every sweet's combined, and I put vanilla in my own.
Oh, you have a pack in there, so?
Yes, and I'm on list.
Yeah, but that's not the. Remember, say the next parking, but you can do what you do.
Oh, but you get me for the time, I said, and I want to go.
I'm sure that too. Thanks.
Have a great day.
You too. Boy, it's nice. When it reach at the bottom, it's like it just appear. You have umbrella, I left my umbrella.
My friend, I say, how are this?
See caramel there?
My hand slip. No, so I need to buy one gloves. My hand too slippery, man, for drive.
And I buy car gloves then.
No, sir.
I'm looking at my umbrella. I don't have it, you know? Because when I was packing my bag, I don't remember putting it in there. And that's true. Come here when the other bag's so light. But I never see it in my black bag. If it was in it, then I would put it in this. Sure. I would just run go in.
No, I got my crazy university too. The phone. The assessment child. Why could this not that's your mind?
That's how she talk to me? Sure.
I talk to all my people, then. Once you know me,
I want to put this in at this.
Once you consider your friend or family, that's the treatment you get. You know the real side of me.
Oh my God. What me I do? When I bring no money in because of you, I buy.
Don't pay that no money.
What? I not bring no money. I should have dust off my shoes. Are your fault, you know? You see because they might do the fixing, dusting. Actually, you have sense. You find an umbrella? You bring your bag? I don't have to bring nothing. Come on, I buy nothing. I don't have to bring my dirty money.
Come on, wait on the bottom. You should have a straw. Normally, I have a straw and mix around so everything from the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet. Alright, let's go. We're done. Come. Oh my God. When you not no umbrella, you have to run.
2,000 years later.
People don't see me what they are them running.
I feel my phone.
Me have to run and you just have to take your sweet time.
I mean, I have umbrella. Then you run and left me. Try to big story.
This is where I always buy my ear things. Grandma Alec. Shiny. Like, you for shiny.
Buy the food.
Food, oh yes.
No, it tastes nice.
Yeah, see.
How much did you buy?
No, we're not buying food from the mall unless of like Mother's, Burger King. You know, just go around and try things. You see? Alright, you want to see the ear store first?
Yeah.
As with any era. I carried her to no mall.
I know mall, don't know.
Well, you don't know the story. You know mall.
Right, so we go to community service.
Oh. Come look if you see that there's something where you want.
What?
Where you say you want?
What is it now?
The pixie. The pixie.
Hello. What's the waffle maker? Yeah, but I have to tell my pixie where they can get it. Access. So even if they have autism, they can intervene early. So when they intervene early, they'll have a better chance to live and
I believe if him have it, it would be a slight something because I know on YouTube our son, he has it and it is extra. Everything him do, you just see it. And like when I'm going to one store, one lady with her bright self and white lady that talk about can you shut up your child? Like I said, if I shut up her child, she's cuss her off and she leave out of the place because she was so upset. Imagine you see the child, you don't know what happened to the child and you go tell her about shut up her child.
Child, behave like that. I don't judge nobody for me, no.
Yes.
See them with autism. You see them know how to calm them down. They're not easy to calm them down.
No.
They're not easy to calm down. If you don't know how to do it, a problem. So we can't just go and store and get that tantrum. Everybody's on up a stare for me, and the only thing left me do a cry. God knows. I have a baby in my hand, the baby look on his brother and cry. I'll get that temper. Nobody gonna do that to help me. The only thing left me do a ball. I want lady stop and say, Mommy, come and help you. Come and bags empty, you know.
She's nice.
And I think she remember, I wish she care. I think she carried the bag for me and she hold Nigeria. Yeah, she carried the bag for me and she hold Nigeria and Nigeria bad and you feel on yourself, you know. But I see the signs them for a long time. But I see children outside, they have tippy-toe. Normally children walk on tippy-toe, right? Sometimes, but you see them don't grow it out. That is a sign.
Oh.
And the most signs we see him develop now. It's simply as a sound in cover of his ears.
Oh,
so they're very sensitive to sound. And this man in his brother, baby I cry, and baby not cry loud enough, and him cover his ears and say, I'm too loud. And the baby not cry loud enough, but anytime he hears sounds, like probably certain sound, certain pitch, and cover his ears and say, too loud, and he scream and run down. But from last week, I realized something off with him, and I'm in a sense, me nah try to find out what's wrong with him and just have this someone.
Better you find out and treat it.
Yeah, the school is not equipped for him, and they can't help him.
Them have school for that?
Yeah, me know. And you see, he not like bookwork, but he have sense. You can't talk around him. Yeah? And he have enough sense. But you see, him love build things. Yesterday, the man come to Valley the father car.
Yeah.
And he opened the bonnets. And he said, the engine not stop. Mr. Engine. Mama, the engine dirty.
And that's why it not start getting dirty.
I want to some things where him say. But probably me not really surround him. And me say some language and put on some talk in there. I said, no man, that people have sense, you know. And him love build things. Them kind of know to build things. Sometimes I see him build some things and I'm like, some things I've never seen before. Or I think him don't see before. I can't say him never see before.
I imagine it. Like I imagine
it. People used to all rude him rude and stuff and know something wrong with him. My mother know. I mean, you feel talk it out.
You guys say? gonna want to see how me, well, when I ask how I eat the nose ring, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so first, when the piercer was doing it for me, him lift it up and then him shove it in, but it hurts. I watched a YouTube video, white people, color, you know, white people, yeah, then go home, and then them just put it in. But for me, with thick skin and thing, dark girls say, some people, it will be easy for them to just go like this, because of them skin and everything, but what I do like this, and go so. Wait, when she passes here, so I'm gonna want to hurt it up. I pull on my skin like this, and go so, and shove it in. Yes, I pull down my mouth, and it's in. If you want, you can just tuck it in up more, or leave it down. Also, to take it out, it's just the same thing. I go like this, hold it, and voila, it's out. Yeah. So if y'all wanna do the piercing, wanna have work, or wanna just, you know, have places where you wish to be and don't have to hide it, it is very easy to just tuck it in. Just try and find the best way to do it for yourself, because some people can just shove it up and it fits. But me, I have to pull down my mouth. Yeah, that's it. Half a tree.
No, sir. Nobody know where.
There are trees, guys. And my belly is killing me. Can't wait to eat some. Baby's coming.
After about baby. What's the thing? That's a baby pain feel.
In a hat?
After that?
Lord!
After that?
We don't want that!
Depends on how your body may come still. Yeah, some women just go through.
Little
Zoop! I'm good while some come like a dead mama there.
the fabric store that.
Yeah, but me not no money. You can't buy
Come
that.
on, go.
You have money?
No. What me did there?
No, me need to go catch a plate. I don't know me I need to carry back to the school, but it's easy. One day to
She's mean. I was smelling so, don't tell me say you're fat. Or the road. That the road smells so bad.
No, you know, so this is just this me. No, no, so I'm going to rotten so.
I was just saying. Good.
I feel that I had to sound more like you. I'm not risk. Most people
And so them stay, them just step out in our road.
I don't know, I'm afraid I'm more.
Taxi man or pedestrian.
Class is pedestrian. Hey, so me never miss about half a tree, yeah? Hey, one time I found out how we hold on from back, you know, I must go in there and boss. No, don't do that, man. And if you have to kill this girl and if you have to put in a boss, it's love that you could school girl them, but the school girl them, you love that still.
Glass broke, so I put it in our bag.
Should I put that there? But you can't see.
Plastic bag.
My father said I should come in to get the front assessment child. How old child has to be to get assessed? Because I want another one that is 3.
From 4 year up.
Don't assess adults.
No.
Oh yeah, I get assessed for her. You don't want to find out nothing now?
What's your burger?
Boat. What time?
Yeah.
I even know, so me just buy one. I need some video ideas, guys. Yeah.
This is our small and this is the large. So much food?
How much is large food?
900.
How much piece am I taking?
650. 1, 2.
2.
How much is it?
Yeah.
Want the large?
Yeah, how much is juice? Or
And the
is
juice?
that combo?
Let's stick to the number 5. That one shoe.
I'm not wrong, show ownership.
Yeah, and it match majority of the outfit them we wear.
Once upon a time, when you used to wear one sitting and say, I want sitting half. But now they say, when you wear it after you show ownership.
Baby, girl.
Well, I'm ready. Take it from me. Done school first before you have children. It's kind of easy.
Yeah, try. Yes guys, so I got the sweet and spicy chicken sandwich. Like I get tired by it.
I see no people say they meet online. It's some really and then say they meet online. I say,
I found that one day. I need to see everything. What if you get pussy in a bag? Tell me.
Some of them don't look like how they look in a
Yeah, people are what would I say? Yeah, impersonate someone else.
I'll fuck up this.
I forgot to say.
You know come and see it?
Yeah, we go and see.
People nasty.
Bad.
That's a videographer.
You know, you feel your edges out there.
Don't have no edges. You want to see it?
They no cut.
Where you do that again?
They no cut it.
I me do it. You know watch me YouTube video?
Me not done.
I me install my wig.
Me know that. But
I
the
mean
first
cut
time
it.
you did curl. How did
the
it?
curl. I mean,
No, the first time.
a different ear. The first one are the curly one. This are the one with the next curl, but my straight knee.
No, this
two
little bit
different. I know it for my birthday. No.
Oh.
Yes, 2 different wigs.
You're fat. You let go of them.
Look when I saw.
What?
Just a look.
You want to say that up? Next size.
So when you buy mix 5 a ear,
How you feeling?
you can straighten too.
One nice
like,
place
not
to
too
down
much
and lick and
heat.
you just say no.
No man, me put it on enough heat, 980 degrees Fahrenheit. And covered. We're going to the exam now, guys. Me hate when they do that.
Yeah, me not like that.
One time one lady with one baby at her about she and the baby not eat from morning. And me eat it.
Where's the pens?
Yeah.
Splash a machine. And man, she might not do that dance and she said they're not eating nothing from morning. And I come up and get 500 and I mean,
Where you go, Abby? That way?
I'm my soul.
The exam done.
No, you're going to go.
Oh, she go home. Can you look at me? Your head what?
Yeah, but I open a video, I mean, mad sometimes. When I used to be bad.
Everybody used to this.
Yeah, video, my fat.
That's all she say.
Sometimes there's a talk to her and just have the camera for me.
It's come I'm tired to tell her every minute come. I'll be a come she the pan come Bob. It's come. This is the finance where you pay whatever fee. Yeah, can't tell me nothing. Finance. But me know you UTECH. You never know that. You never know that.
Because you dare to go there, me see it.
Yeah, but you didn't know. I will come out here so now. We'll go back on the admission officer somewhere right there so. I will go so. So now that means somewhere right there so I'm showing you.
We're down there so.
Yeah. But you better you take the other way because this kind of long.
Gate.
Oh, the other gate. Yeah, I know about the other gate.
I told you that the other gate was working, but no, I'm talking in the gate.
Whatever. Every day may I argue. I'm tired of you know.
This one here.
Look, she love me now. She's here for me. And she bring the camera
load.
No camera allowed. I always say so. No games. Your bad money. It's a no games. We get. We don't see no camera.
Don't sit beside look like camera. No camera allowed.
Oh, how true.
It is. Look like camera.
You can't tell me nothing. Me run things. A joke. Me run things. Things don't run me.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. She said if you're not ugly, go the ugly girl. She said if you're not ugly, you want to hug from me? You serious, brother?
You're such a child. You didn't. Go somewhere. Go deal with the people in exam and come go yard.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So today was a short video. Last exam, I'm done. What's on the laptop? I'm done with exam now, and I feel very confident in what I did. So I'm just hoping that I get the result that I want, just like how I feel right now. Yes, I did fundamental of marketing, and that's what I'm majoring in. So if I ever feel that. Alright, so bye guys, see you in the next vlog.